Start off by brushing your hair just to get rid of any tangles. Make sure your hair is damp because we will need some moisture in it for this hairstyle. Next, separate your hair into 2 sections. So now I'm grabbing about a 1-inch section from the very front of my head, and I'm going to separate this into 3 strands. And start off by braiding, and as you braid, grab a section of hair from the very top and add it to the outermost strand and braid underneath. So I'm going to keep doing that as I braid. I'm going to grab a piece from the top, add it to the outer strand, braid that underneath, and I'm going to keep doing this all the way around my head until I get to the back. So as you braid, try your absolute best to bring the braid across your head, because if you braid downwards, then you're going to probably have some straight pieces and you really don't want to have that. So again, try your best to really wrap the braid around your head. And guys, we really aren't going for perfection with these braids. Like, nobody's going to see you, you're just going to go to bed, so don't worry if they're not perfect, okay? If there's pieces falling out, that's not the end of the world. You're not going to a club, so don't worry. So now we're going to repeat this on the other side. Again, grab a 1-inch section, split it into 3 separate strands, and start it off with a simple braid. And as you braid, grab hair from the very top, and then braid it underneath. And you're always adding hair to the outermost strands, okay? So again, just grab some hair from the top, add it to the outermost strand, and braid it underneath. We are doing an inverse braid here. And again, try to keep the braid as high up as possible. I know sometimes we have a tendency to braid downwards, but we really want to keep it as high up as possible so that, you know, we got beautiful beach waves and no straight pieces at the back. Now we be looking all cute with our little braids, and it's time for bed. Woohoo! Good morning, my loves. Now it's time to take out your cute little braids and reveal your beautiful beach waves. Just play with your hair a little bit to mess it up. And voila! Here we have it, some cute heatless beach waves. Now, if you're a girl like me and you want bigger waves, you can always use heat. I know that defeats the purpose, but this step is completely optional. I'm going to use my Got to Be Glued heat protectant spray, and I'm just going to spray that throughout my hair. I'm just going to take my Conair curling wand and I'm going to grab a 1-inch section and wrap it away from my face around the barrel. I'm going to hold it for a few seconds and catch the curl, and then release. And I'm just going to add a few curls throughout my hair to really, you know, spice it up a bit. Bam, guys, look at this. I absolutely love wearing my hair like this. It is so super stylish. It really channels that old school Taylor Swift vibe, and I'm feeling it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.